Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about programming languages. Programming languages in problem solving in C. So first you need to know what is program. Program is nothing but set of instructions. Instructions to solve one particular problem. So program is nothing but set of instructions to solve one particular problem. For developing those programs, we need to use programming languages. So program language consists of set of vocabulary and grammatical rules. Those are called instructions to express and solve one task. Okay. Programming languages are used to write a program. So those programming languages are C, C++, Java, Python. So these are all programming languages. These all programming languages are used to write program. Okay. So program is nothing but set of instructions, set of rules. Okay, which controls the behavior of computer. Okay, so programming languages are used to control behaviors of computer, codify algorithms, or enable human computer interface. So these are the functions of programming language, functions of program. Each language has unique set of keywords, words that is understands. So keywords are nothing but predefined words. These are understandable only compiler. Okay, so I will tell you later what is compiler. Next, each language has unique set of keywords and a special syntax for organizing program instructions. So for organizing program, for writing program, every programming language consists set of special syntax and also set of keywords. By using these keywords and special syntaxes, we can develop one program. Okay. So the main aim of program is program consists a set of instructions for solving problems. Okay. Collection of programs are known as software. Okay. So the programming language should be understood both by the programmer and the computer. Okay. So the programming language should be understood both by programmer and computer. So programmer is who is writing the program. Okay. Who is writing the program is known as programmer, and the computer who that is used to perform the operations, that is used to perform the task. So the programming language should be clear to both programmer and the computer. But programmers are nothing but users. Okay, so the humans are used to understand English language. Okay, but computer cannot understand English language. Computer only understand binary language, that is zeros and ones. Okay, so computer only understand binary language, that is 0 and 1, and this is called machine language. And programmer is used to understand English like languages. Okay, so programming languages are usually refers to high level languages like COBOL, BASIC, Fortran, C, C++, Java, Python. Okay, these are all programming languages, and all these programming languages are understood both by the programmer and the computer. Okay. Next, types of programming languages. So there are three types of programming languages. Those are machine level language, assembly language, high level language. So these are most important three types of programming languages. So machine level language. Machine level language is nothing but the language which is understood by the computer, which is understood to the computer. Machine language is what computer can understand, but it is difficult for programmers to understand. So I already told that computer only understand zeros and ones. Okay, everything the computer can only understand zeros and ones, but programmer understand only high level language, that is nothing but English language. Okay, machine language consists of numbers only, those are zeros and ones. Each kind of CPU has its own unique machine language. Every computer has own unique language. Okay, every CPU has its unique language. Next one is assembly language. Okay, so in machine language, that is totally understand to the computer only. Assembly language falls in between machine language and high level language. They are similar to machine language but easier program in because they follow the programmer to substitute names for numbers. So this assembly level language consists mnemonics. Okay, so these mnemonics are like sub, add, like this. Okay, so I will tell you later in this video. Next one is high level language. So this high level language is easier to understand and use for the programmer, but it is difficult for the computer. Okay, so it is easily understood by the programmer and difficult to understood by the computer. Okay, so first one is machine level language. It is easily understand to the computer, and the next assembly level language is known as intermediate language. Okay, high level language is easily understandable by the programmer. Okay, so let's see one by one completely. The choice of programming language for writing a program depends on functionality required from the program. So there are three types of programming languages. Those are machine language, assembly language, and high level language. Basic, Fortran, C, C++, Java. These are all other types of programming language. First one is machine level language. Machine language. A program in machine language is collection of binary digits. Those digits are zeros and ones. So I already told that computer only understand zeros and ones. Okay, so this is the example for machine level language. So in machine level language, it consists all zeros and ones only. Okay, it is the system of instructions and data executed directly by the computer without any translator, because machine language is understood by the computer easily, so no need for translator. Okay, next, the computer can understand the programs written in machine language directly, so no translation of the program is needed. Okay, program written in machine language can be executed very fast because there is no translator between computer. Okay, machine level language, so that's why programs are easily and fastly executed by the program. Okay, it is difficult to write the programs in machine language as it has written in binary level language. The codeds are example 000 1001 1100 1001. So the program consists, everything in program consists all zeros and ones. So it is very difficult for the programmer to develop such type of programs. Okay, and these programs are not understood by the programmer. Such programs are very difficult to modify. Okay, next one is assembly language. So assembly language is intermediate language between machine language and high level language. So a program written in assembly language uses symbolic representations. So symbolic representation of machine codes needed to program for a particular processor or processor family. So in assembly level language, the programmer used symbolic symbols to represent the program, okay, to write the programs. So these abbreviations are called mnemonics, okay. So these mnemonics are like MOV, move, MVI, LXI, add, JNC, INR, next INX, DCR, okay, like this. The representation is usually defined by the CPU manufacturer based on abbreviations or known as mnemonics, and they help the programmer remember individual instructions and registers. Small English like representation is used to write the programs in assembly level language. Okay, but assembly level language is not understood by the computer. Okay, so these are familiar to user but not understood by the computer. So there is a need for translator for computer to translate the assembly level language into machine level language, because computer can only understand machine language, it cannot understand assembly level language. For this purpose it needs a translator. So the translator is known as assembler. Okay, assembly level language programs are easier to write than machine level language programs, since assembly level language programs use short English like representations like add 2, 3, load A, sub A, B, like this. These are called mnemonics. Add, load, sub, move, these are all called mnemonics. The program written in assembly level language is source code. So whatever we write in program, that is known as source code, which has to be converted into machine code and object code using translator software, that is known as assembler. So here assembler is used as translator between assembly language into machine level language. Okay. Through assembly language, programs use symbolic representation. They are still difficult to write because it is very difficult to remember mnemonics. Okay, so it is easier than machine level language but not very easy to develop assembly level language. Okay, so that's why they introduced high level language. So high level language is a language written in English like languages. Okay, so in English like languages. Such languages hide the details of CPU operations and are easily portable across computers. So we can move from one computer to another computer. Those are known as portable from one computer to another computer. Okay, a high level language isolates the execution semantics of computer architecture from specification of the program. Okay, so these languages, high level language consists English like language. So English language is not understood by the computer, so there is a need for translator from high level language into machine level language, because computer can only understand machine level language. So for that purpose we use compiler or interpreter. Okay, so for programs are easier to write, read and understand because they are in high level language, that is nothing but English like language. For example, a program written in C++ is easier to understand than machine language program, because machine language program consists zeros and ones only. Programs written in high level language is source code, which is converted into object code, that is machine code, using translators. Those are interpreter and compiler. Okay, next, a line of code in high level program may be corresponded one or more than one line of machine code. Okay, Programs written in high level language are easily portable from one computer to another computer. Okay. So for machine level language, which is in binary format, zeros and ones, that is easily understandable by the computer. So no need for translator for machine level language. And assembly level language consists mnemonics. Okay, so abbreviations. There is a need for a translator. The translator is known as assembler. So assembler is used to convert assembly level language into machine level language. Next one is high level language. High level language consists English like statements. These are easily understandable by the programmer and it is very difficult to understand computer. So that's why there was a compiler and interpreter. These two are called translators. These translators are used to convert high level language program into machine level language programs. Okay, so I hope it is clear. There are three types of programming languages: machine level language, assembly level language, and high level language. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.